Here's some silent era trivia. Subscribe. What film features Charlie Chaplin's Tramp character in a factory? Is it A, City Lights, B, The Gold Rush, C, The Great Dictator, or D, Modern Times? The correct answer is D, Modern Times. Who starred in the 1927 film The Jazz Singer? Is it A, Charlie Chaplin, B, Al Jolson, C, Bing Crosby, or D, Fred Astaire? The correct answer is B, Al Jolson. What film directed by F.W. Murnau features a vampire? Is it A, Shadow of the Vampire, B, The Hunger, C, Nosferatu, or D, Dracula? The correct answer is C, Nosferatu. What term describes cinema from the late 19th century to the early 1930s? Is it A, silent era, B, golden age, C, talkie era, or D, modern cinema? The correct answer is A, silent era. Which actress was known for her role in The Sheik? Is it A, Katharine Hepburn, B, Bette Davis, C, Greta Garbo, or D, Rudolph Valentino? The correct answer is D, Rudolph Valentino. In what film did Harold Lloyd famously dangle from a clock? Is it A, The General, B, Metropolis, C, City Lights, or D, Safety Last? The correct answer is D, Safety Last. What notable technical advancement began with The Jazz Singer? Is it A, digital projection, B, sound and films, C, special effects, or D, color films? The correct answer is B, sound and films. Who directed the film The Phantom of the Opera? Is it A, Christopher Nolan, B, Alfred Hitchcock, C, Tim Burton, or D, Rupert Julian? The correct answer is D, Rupert Julian. Which silent film is a parody of government agencies? Is it A, Metropolis, B, The Cabinet of Dr. Caligari, C, The Great Dictator, or D, Modern Times? The correct answer is C, The Great Dictator. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.